Donna?
I'm 32 today.
Oh, that's
a
right.
couple more days and then I'll be 33.
33? Oh, no. You're just a baby.
Put more.
Did you have me? This is my
It looks
little
like you're
niece,
taking the
Lynette.
floor.
And Lynette and I right now are exactly 16 years apart. A couple more days and then I'll have to say I'm 17 years older. But then it only takes a couple more days because Lynette was born almost right after my birthday.
That's right.
I'm messing with her hair.
So you're 16, 17, 16.
This lady here is very glamorous.
Is that what she looked like?
Age.
And is that what she looked like in grammar school?
Yeah. But this isn't what I look like in grammar school either.
Well, why not?
Well, for one thing, I didn't wear glasses.
Oh, that's right.
I had
But your hair was short.
official bangs all the time, probably. Or my mother would put a band around my head in it, and then it would just go straight back.
Yeah.
That's going to be great.
And let's see, I was going to dress up as a traffic cop today. Were you in school?
Oh,
That's
yeah.
what I was in grammar school.
I did that just for a little while. Did you do it a long time?
I did it many
You
years.
won't.
I did everything for a little while, Donna.
Traffic cops.
I did everything for a little while.
I know, you still do.
I
You
know.
were kind of a disturbed child. You
Right.
could stick with anything.
I know. I flipped from this to that.
Well, she stuck with you enough years that...
That's true.
you
I have
didn't say
stuck
you
with my
didn't
family.
say anything.
We just now get to know each other.
Oh, brother.
Oh, I've been gone.
Hi, sweetie. You have a new shirt on, huh?
Really?
Yes.
You didn't know.
Present from Donna.
When did I get it?
Gave him that.
Yesterday.
Oh,
For your birthday.
did I wear this yesterday?
Yes. What are you doing, David?
He doesn't know.
David, look up.
Yeah.
Why does her bite like that?
Hello, Amber. Did you wear a hat like that in grammar school? You're still in grammar school, aren't you? You just had to come as you are.
This is my other niece. I'm getting in on all these.
Yes,
I'm
that's
not always
'cause
around.
and it's your birthday. This is your party.
Amber dressed up for the birthday party.
Uh-huh. She looks cute.
Yes. She wore a skirt. That's what I used to always have to wear to grammar school.
Me too. When Mom told me we were going to dress like grammar school, I says, you mean I have to wear a dress? Because I never wore pants. But I decided I'd pretend like it was off school hours. You're so serious, Donna.
I'm sorry. Most people say that about me.
I know. Me too.